Good day, Bablidina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, nata sa Paradizo Beach Resort. Look at that! This is where we stayed, and kana siya is ilang reception area. Dayong sud, mauna na imong makita. This is their rooms. And our room is in the back part. Over is talking to the receptionist. Atong tuyokon ilang room. So, pinakaluyo is room 4, 5, and 6. And then sa tubangan is room 7 and 8. And then kani is room 9. And then sea view is room 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll check the sea view rooms later. Napos like guardhouse. Ay, guardhouse. Ay, tawagan na tayo.
Dito mo, picture mo.
Ay, tawagan na tayo.
Guardhouse. Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
Money lang kuan. Family room siguro na.
Room 2 o room 3. Asang room 1? Dara room 1.
Ano siguro na yun?
And then room 4 over his room. And kung gikan ta sa gate sa reception area, we have here this room 7 and 8, and then tuyok ta. We have here sa luyong part room 6, 5, and 4. Room 6. That's my room, room 5. And here is over his room.
Wala pa ito na ito.
Ato rin yung hatod.
Oh.
Sige. And then, ito yung kreta ganina. Here are the rooms nga sea view. Room 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then, on that island, if you can see the opposite side, naadiha ang Fantastic Island.
Yan na. Pupuan sa. Relax ka lang. Pero yun, asa ka naman lingkod. Diha ka? Sige, ito lingkura yung malingkuranan. Di mamubo.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is 5:45 already. I'm just waiting for Aubrey para mga tumi sa Isle of Medellin. See you there. So this is their room. Good for 2 person. They have aircon already. Tagkaayo. Nagamit na ni nako. They have actually 2 towels. Mga nag-slide sa in summer. They have TV. Ilang butanganan. These are all my things. Sorry kung kayo. And they have aircon. This is their CR, shower room. They don't have hot shower. That's me. Sila pasurahan. Magula sila sa sabon. That shampoo, di ka na kumpuin. Safeguard, ako natala. So they don't have hot shower, they don't have sabon. Pretty much simple, but very comfy. So this is my room. Over is on the other room. Room 5, room 4. I'm on room 5. So kanina nga room 5 actually is bigger than room 4. But ang nakalindot sa room 4 is they have front view ilang kuan sa dagat. They have window there, and when you open the window is kuan siya, dagat na siya. That's it. This is Aubrey and this is Chris. So since it's her birthday as well. It's a late celebration and dalalaag. Watch out for our craziness.
Wasabi.
Okay. Ada ko kawan deh.
Ako picture sa TV dre.
Medellin! I love Medellin!
Moreno, cincin ukyo. No, perfect.
Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sama ka na ilang shot?
Kuha jud.
Oh, kuha. Kuha Opry. Ito pa?
Anak ka ba dong?
Ah, sige.
Yung mga anak ko, ato ka ba dong?
Sige.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, so yan to na yung music.
Ah, sige. Ah, sa taon na. Ikaw, lubot ka una.
Anak ko
Ikaw,
na.
tika una.
Oh, okay. Again. Ito is safe lang.
Pasiplat mo din.
Ooh, that's so big. Isang sa ato pero
Ano ako ikuan time lapse.
naaka? Oh, hindi lang kog time lapse. Ah, dara dato ang kwante ay. Dara.
Mau rin may tao. Kedua na balik dito. DJ Bong 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 Kuno Bong.
There's nowhere to hide, stuck in earth.
na dire.
Namura nga ako. Kuha na ko.
Ano eh?
Mamsa niyo ang ganahan. 4 sessions. Amo sa ni sila. Tukan mi away.
Baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know.
Kind of like a chair. Nag-seat lang eh. 99 ang large. Medium kay 89.
11 pa.
11 pala. Bruta clouds, oh. So amazing. Lami kay mata jud. Grabe fog, uy.
Baguio City.
Fog. It takes 21 kilometers to have a good cup of coffee. Butar deh.